Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming recovery details so you don't lock yourself out. Do this now. Sign into accounts. Google com/security and locate two-step verification. Once signed in, make sure your primary phone is nearby, enable prompts if available, and generate a fresh set of backup codes. You'll need one to regain access if your device fails, so download or print them. Also add an alternate phone and an authenticator app. This sets the foundation for the next, deeper steps. Now adjust the verification methods. Remove lost devices and re-enroll the devices you use every day. Install an authenticator app, scan the QR code, and enter a test code so you verify it works. This avoids surprise failures. If you rely on SMS, double-check the phone number and carrier settings. Sometimes a SIM transfer or roaming blocks SMS. Consider adding a hardware security key for faster, more reliable sign-ins. Once added, test it immediately so you confirm functionality. Finish by testing every method: prompt, authenticator code, SMS, backup code, and security key. Once done, store backup codes securely and remove any stale recovery options. If something goes wrong, first sync your device clock and retry. Many top failures are clock drift. If you're locked out, use the account recovery flow and provide precise details: when you last signed in, device locations, and creation dates. Finally, make a note of 2 working methods so you avoid future lockouts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.